capital of the Maldives is Male, and the airport is on an adjacent reclaimed island called Hulu Male, and you can see behind me, this is where I'm staying. It's a nice beach, but basically it's accommodation for transit or overnight before other tourists can go out to the other islands. There's lots of construction on this island, and further up there's more and more accommodation being built, because Male is one of the most densely populated cities in the world. Would you believe it? The population of the Maldives is about just over 500,000, 570,000 in 2022. It's made up of 26 atolls, and those atolls host 1,192 different islands. But only 189 of those islands are inhabited by the local population. That means the rest of the islands are available for tourism and tourism development. One thing tourists should know about when they come to Maldives, it's strictly a Muslim country, so don't be expecting bacon, don't be expecting alcohol, except at some of the resorts. But on the main island of Male and the connecting island of Hulu Male, just be aware that there will only be soft drinks to drink. Tourism opened up in 1972, and there's quite a distinction between the local community, which live on some islands, and the tourist islands, which are set up for tourists, which have alcohol, which you can wear bikinis and that sort of thing. So there's a distinction or a separation between the local community and the tourist life.